Hi viewers, thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you're doing really well. Today I'll be showing you my chicken kebab recipe. Last time I made them, I uploaded on my Instagram story and I had a lot of people messaging me and wanted to know the recipe. So here I am with a smile on my face and happy to share my secret ingredients with you guys. If you enjoy watching this video, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up in the end. Now I'll just get on with the recipe. First of all, I'm going to get all my choppings done.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back.
Now I'm done with the chopping, so let's move into the next step. Here I've got 500 grams of minced chicken and I'll be adding all the ingredients in here. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon parsley, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small chopped onion which I prepared earlier, 2 finely chopped green chillies, and finally a handful of chopped fresh corianders. Now I'm going to combine everything really well, and just to remind you, before you do this step, make sure you wash your hand. If you like watching this recipe, I would really appreciate if you could please give it a thumbs up in the end. And don't forget to comment on my videos and let me know what's your expressions. Now the chicken mixture is ready to use. I'm going to grab a small portion in my hand and squeeze it out and make it into kebab shape. If you like, you can also make it into round and flat kebab shape. It's really up to you, whichever you prefer. I hope that you can tell on the screen that this step is not difficult at all. As you can see, this kebab is easily done. Now I'm going to go and make the rest. In a preheated frying pan, add some oil. Then add the kebabs one at a time and fry on medium flame. After a minute, turn them over carefully, and as you can see, it started to go brownish already. Keep on turning them and cook on each side so you can get the perfect color all around it. These kebabs cooks really fast. It shouldn't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. So now you guys know that this recipe is definitely not time consuming, so I hope you'll try at home. It is super tasty, I promise you will love it, and inside it is so juicy. Anyways, my kebabs are nearly ready to eat, so I'm going to go and enjoy with my family. I will see you guys next time in my next video, so take care till then. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out my recipes.